It is indeed a pleasure to be here, and I would like to convey my appreciation to the organizer for the invitation. I believe as citizens of the Sigatoka community, we are all proud of our little rugby town and how it has grown and becoming a bustling economic center over the past 79 years for the people of Nandronga and Nabosa. We have a lot to be proud of. Not only we are all proud of our rugby achievements, but also as a shopping and tourism center for tourists who flood our coral, coastlines and other hotels on a daily basis. I'm told that this week, this community is celebrating the 79th year anniversary of Sigatoka town. It will be a fitting occasion for the current town administration to recognize the contribution of its citizens and those who have made significant contribution to this rugby crazy town and towards promoting Sigatoka as a rugby town and tourist destination in Fiji and around the world. This carnival is an opportune time to use and unite people of all races together in a festive mood as we celebrate its 79th anniversary. It is so refreshing to witness the changes taking place in the appearance and landscape of Sigatoka town. I'm always proud of my hometown every time I return when I notice the latest developments. It is also encouraging to note the expansion of town boundaries, and I urge the town administrators to work hard further towards securing empty land space in partnership with the landowners. To expand the developments of our town, we need to plan ahead. We need to bring all necessary services into Sigatoka. We need to attract investment, and we need to also consider engaging with the surrounding rural community and provide the necessary support and investment that will boost economic activity that will benefit us all. We need to realize that collectively we can be the one-stop town for tourists. We need to work hard towards developing Sigatoka further and bring all services that tourists expect of us and one that will satisfy their needs and expectations. Rugby is synonymous to Nandronga and Nabosa and Sigatoka town. The soccer crazy town of Ba a few years ago opened a soccer and sugarcane farming museum. I believe that it is high time that Nandronga Rugby Union, the Sigatoka Town Council and Nandronga Nabosa Provincial Council partner in developing or build a rugby museum for the rugby town. There are many famous names of Nandronga rugby natives that have donned the national colors and created history for Fiji. We need to capture these very historical facts and honor our heroes in our own province. This will be another attraction to Sigatoka in the future if we pursue this idea. Tonight is a night dedicated to the young people of this town and its surrounding areas. Tonight is a night of talent show and fun with lots of entertainment. Young people tonight with great enthusiasm and energy will display through their artist performances their creative abilities, which always is a unique characteristic and features of youths. I have been emphasizing to young people throughout Fiji that youths are blessed with these two gifts, the gifts of energy and creativity. Youth have appreciated them and maximize their potential for your betterment. When you tactfully apply your energy and creativity positively, doing the right things and at the right time and not shying away from trying new things and ideas, the end result is usually a productive and responsible young person. Traditionally, culturally, and contemporary performances are some ways of earning gainful employment these days for young, energetic, and creative youths. Young people are carriers of and future custodians of our culture, and should appreciate taking part in cultural activities, because in doing so, we share common bonds exposed in our tradition and culture. This is critical to our harmonious and peaceful coexistence as one people in our multicultural and multi-religious Fiji. Sports will continue to be a major vehicle for youth development in Fiji, as we continue to recognize its contribution to Fiji's economy, national unity, and social inclusiveness. I urge the town administrators to continue to provide opportunities for youths in this area to develop their sporting prowess. I urge rugby-loving administrators to utilize the resources available and develop programs that will enhance youth participation, involvement, and personal development. In recognition of the contribution of sports to our nation, government has last year had endorsed a national sports holiday, which will be celebrated on June 26 this year, which is just 21 days away. May I suggest that you start planning on what you can do as a town, as a community on this new sports holiday to harness wellness, social cohesion, and unity through sports. And I would like again to seek your commitment in establishing and strengthening your partnership with government to ensure that our future are enthusiastic sportsmen and women. The youths of Fiji are provided with the necessary environment to develop their sporting pros and athleticism, and the establishment of such venues are the right and necessary ingredients to their development. Again, to the youths of Namrongai, Namosa, and neighboring communities, I wish all an enjoyable evening, and may you display your best ability through art and music and performance. To the organizers of the Sigatoka Day celebration, thanks again for the invitation, and I wish this occasion a success, and wishing everyone a very good evening and a big Binakawalim. Thank you very much. Binakawalim. Bye.